Welcome to a quick step-by-step guide on how to make only close friends see your birthday on Facebook. If you're looking to keep your special day more private while still sharing it with your inner circle, this walkthrough will help you adjust your visibility with just a few taps. First, open the Facebook app on your device. From here, locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap them to open the menu. This is your hub for all settings and personal controls. Next, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. You'll land on a menu with many options, but we're focusing on who can see your birth date. Under the Account Center, tap Personal Details. This section holds the information you've shared about yourself, including your date of birth. Tap Date of Birth to access visibility settings. Now, you'll see who can see your birthday on Facebook. Tap Change Visibility to adjust who can view this information. The goal is to limit it to close friends. From the visibility options, select Close Friends. This ensures that only people you've tagged as close friends can see your birthday. After selecting Close Friends, make sure to save your changes so they take effect. With these steps completed, your birthday remains visible to your trusted circle while staying hidden from the broader audience on Facebook. It's a simple adjustment that adds a layer of privacy without sacrificing the sense of connection you get from sharing with people who matter most. If you'd like, you can revisit these settings anytime to tweak visibility further, or do a quick check by viewing your profile as a friend in your close friends list to confirm it looks right. Keeping control over personal details like birthdays helps you maintain a comfortable balance between sharing and privacy. Want to add a quick pro tip? Consider pairing this with a tailored birthday post for close friends only, so those in your inner circle feel special on your day without broadcasting to everyone. A small note or a photo set just for them can make the birthday feel intimate and thoughtful. If you have any other Facebook privacy tweaks you want to master, tell me what you're aiming for and I'll map out a simple plan.